What's up, guys? It's Dr. Sean at Active Life, and we just wrapped up our first ever ProPath workshop at CrossFit 516. Now, in the future, those workshops are going to be moving to Active Life HQ, which we'll show you soon. But I want to take you guys through what happened at the last workshop because it was awesome. The first workshop is a movement assessment workshop laced with personal development. I never would have thought that a room full of 32 absolute professionals would find themselves coming to tears going through a breathwork and visualization exercise, but that's exactly what happened. We wanted to set the tone of the weekend right. We wanted to set it up by understanding that this is not going to be a tactics program. We're not going to teach you guys margins and these little things about how to get one more member in your gym each month and how to get the right ad funnel. We're going to teach you guys how to grow your gym, but we're not going to do it through tactics. We're going to do it through mindset and service and value add. So we started with the mindset stuff. Then we went into the movement assessment. By the time the movement assessment was over, we had a bunch of people who had new eyes in the gym, just like at any one of our movement assessment workshops. But then we took them in and we started talking about why they came. What is the purpose of them being in a gym business in the first place? And we got deep. We got into some really personal stuff. And what was so interesting to us, all of the staff members who did this when we broke out into small groups, was that nobody was there because they wanted to be a better coach from a tactical perspective. People weren't really interested in being able to get someone to the CrossFit Games. They weren't interested in being able to help somebody lose 50 pounds. They were all there because they were interested in the way that achieving those things would make their clients feel. And they wanted to be able to give their clients those feelings. That was awesome. That's what this is all about. Really, at the end of the day, what we're starting to discover about ourselves is we're a personal development company that does its job through physical skills and fitness. That's pretty cool. We had such a good time with everyone there that we wanted to take everybody out to the bar for drinks. So we hung out at a bar. We were supposed to be there for about an hour. We stayed for like 3 because it was fun. And by the end of the weekend, this entire group of strangers understood that they are now on a team together. They understand that the mission is bigger than each of them. It's bigger than us. We are going to start converting towns, entire towns, through the service that we can provide in the gyms. And if that sounds crazy to you, it's only because you weren't there. But we're going to show you over the course of the rest of the year and the future how we're going to do this, both here locally at my hometown in Long Beach and everywhere throughout the United States and in other countries as gyms from there begin to come in. So this was just cohort number 1, workshop number 1. I can't wait to show you number 2, and I'm excited that we have an almost full second group already who are getting ready to start this thing with us in January. See you in the ProPath. Turn pro.